Now looking at post stretch of the single leg squats for the left and right leg, after we do the 3D soleus matrix stretching, we are going to look at the right leg first, and for ankle weight bearing dorsiflexion. So the start point measurement for dorsiflexion is 122 degrees. And then we move to weight bearing knee flexion, and the measurement for this joint is 173 degrees. And weight bearing hip flexion is 162 degrees. Now the endpoint measurements for the right leg is for weight bearing dorsiflexion is 90 degrees. The endpoint for knee flexion is 90 degrees. And the endpoint for hip flexion for the right leg for post stretch is 81 degrees. Now moving to the left leg, for the starting phase, is for dorsiflexion, we have (121 degrees). For knee flexion, for the left leg, we have (179 degrees). And hip flexion is 168 degrees. Now the end phase, the endpoint measurements for a single leg squat are for dorsiflexion, we have 86 degrees. For hip flexion, we have 82 degrees. And for hip flexion, That last one was knee flexion. This is hip flexion now. We have 78 degrees. And that is all of the measurements for the right and left leg post stretch for ankle dorsiflexion, knee flexion, hip flexion, and all their start and end points.